Video is going to be on replacing the back window in this F150. As you can see, it's busted out. It's actually pretty common for these to bust out, and they're not covered with warranty, so you have to buy them out of your pocket. Now, we are installing a solid back window in this truck, so stay tuned and enjoy. The first thing you need to do is pretty well fold your seats down. If you didn't know it, your seats do fold down. It's quite easy to do. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to fold your seats. You need to lock these in position. Just like so. And then come behind the seat. Let me unlock the door here. And come behind the seat, and there's a tab you need to you need to pull up on that tab. You pull up on this right here, and that pretty well unhooks it from there and folds straight down. And that's pretty well gets that took care of. To remove all these clips, there's one, here's one on this big panel that covers your back window motor, and then you will need to remove that clip, and you got two on the headliner and one more over there, and then pretty well pop these plastic pieces out before you can remove this piece. So you need to take these side pieces loose, and then this piece, and then do your headliner, and be careful not pull down too much on it because you can crease it. Now once you get all your clips pretty well removed, as you can see, you gotta, once you get that removed, there's a 7mm bolt you need to remove, for this piece will pop on off. Okay, now this is the side. We got it pretty well pulled out of the way. We can get to the bolts of the back window. You can see them right there. Pretty well. You don't have to take this guy on out, but you do if you're removing your motor. So yeah, we just recommend go ahead and taking this completely out. This is dusty too, so it needs a good dusting. Yeah, it's dusty. You will need to remove this bracket right here. You can loosen it up and just let it hang down. You got 3 brackets, but this is the only one you need to remove so you can get to this bolt. Now you got a 5/16 3 bolts on your motor right here for your window. Go ahead and take that loose. Okay, once you get your motor, you can pretty well go ahead and unplug it. You can get to the plug-in better once it's loose. Now I recommend making sure your battery is unhooked before doing this. And then you can come right here and just unsnap all these. So when you get your window bolts loosened and took all the way off, this whole piece will come out with your window. Now once you get these two guys removed, your headliner will pull down enough so that you can get to all your back window bolts. Now these is a size 9. Can you see? Size 9. And they hang on there, they just snug. So they pretty easy to take off once you get them loose. So you need to take off all your bolts away around your window, and then we go to the next step. Also, don't forget to unplug this. This goes to your window defroster. And it just unplugs just like so. As you can see, the headliner is loose, and you can stick your hand up in there enough to get a wrench into it. But if you need more room, you can actually remove the cover of your coat hanger, and you got a star head. You can actually take off the star head when you find the actual size to it, and the headliner will drop down more.
You got lucky.
Now, with the help of a friend, you need to actually be very careful and not cut yourself, especially if your grass is busted. And if it's a nice warm day, you can actually push on this grass and it will pop out. Once you get your old window out, you want to be sure to clean all the old leftover bead off the best you can. We are just taking a razor blade and straightening it off. It comes off quite easy. So you will have to remove your seat belt here to pull this whole motor assembly out if you don't want to take it loose from the window. We actually took the one side loose and pulled out the window all in one piece. This is the new back window, guys, going in the truck. It's a one piece and it's a very cheaper alternative than getting one direct. Now it's still a little bit costly, but they ain't as bad as the OEM factory one. So if you're trying to save a little money and don't want to go back with that factory look, then this is a good option to go with. Now, once you get your new window in, you pretty well assemble it the same way you took the old one out. It's pretty simple. I ain't going to show you how we did this, but be sure to tighten it up little by little, starting on each corner opposite from each other and pouring it in straight. You do not want to put your grass in a bind. That's a no-no. As you can see, it turned out great, looks great. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Check my channel out for more content and be sure to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.